Dongguan Wanjin Hardware Products Company Limited is specialized in non-standard parts manufacture, which is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. Our products include long screws, long bolts, CNC lathe parts, stamping parts. The company's major customer areas include new energy, automotive, motor mechanical, and electrical, sports equipment, mechanical equipment, baby products, household appliances, furniture, electronic products. We have 2 design engineers and 5 technology developers. Our engineers have 20 years of experience in designing, developing, and manufacturing a variety of non-standard custom fasteners. Our company strict implementation of ISO quality management. We are direct custom production of non-standard screw fastener factory. We can customize any kind of screws according to your design. We provide all kinds of OEM, design services, buyer label services. We have a complete foreign trade service team providing 24-hour online service. We provide long life service as long as you are our customers. We will do our best to help you to solve the problem. We specialize in screws manufacturing for several years of experience. Our factory covers an area of 1,500 square meters. The monthly production of 8 million pieces. For rush orders, we can make a new mold in 7 days. Make samples in 5 days. Welcome friends from all walks of life come to visit. Guidance and business negotiation. Interested buyers are welcome to contact us.